I'm showing you guys a video of what the washer looks like with this camera. Today on my tablet, so hopefully you can see it better right here. Here's what it has so far when it goes to the wash. This camera, for some reason, not as clear as my other one, but hey, it does the job for now. So, this sprayer up here is the little rinse cycle. There's what it looks like is a little orange spray nozzle that sprays the closest part start. And there's that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you YouTube next time. Hope you have a great day. Bye.